Some of y'all are going to get a cheat sheet and will be able to use this on the STAR test, but you're going to have to fill it in. All right. This is an open circle. Anytime you have an open circle, it's less than or greater than. This is a closed circle. It's either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Now, when it's less than, you also have a dashed line. Remember that. If it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you have a solid line. All right. And we're just going to go down. The next one. We're talking about slope. So this would be positive. That would be positive. When the line is like this one here, when the line's going like this, negative slope. When it's horizontal, the slope is 0. And here is undefined. When it's vertical, it's undefined. All right. When we multiply binomials, we double distribute. We didn't make it big enough, so we double distribute. All right. Now, here's the deal. Let's go to the DRIOT. Now, all you have to do is this. Write X, Y. Because here's the deal. D stands for domain. Y's are your range. Let's go ahead and write the R. The X is always the input, and the Y is always the output. Now, T stands for table, which means do a regression. Regression on calculator. So anytime you get a table, we're going to do a regression on the calculator. Okay. Here's the deal. Anything, let's say we have x to the negative 4. That is equal to 1 over x to the 4. Remember, if we have a negative exponent, it goes to the denominator. All right. Let me decide what I want to do next. Okay, run Patty at 8 every day. Write slope words. These are slope words, which means this is rate, of change. Don't worry about that. This means per. at, underline it, and just go ahead and write at. That's a slope word. Each and every. Those are all words when you're reading a problem that means slope. Those words mean slope. Okay. Mark this out. Don't worry about that. All right. Now, let's go up here to X. We are talking about this. We've been talking about this. This X stands for x-intercept. Now, other names for x-intercepts are zeros, roots, and solutions. Zeros, roots, and solutions. Okay, now, here we go. Rise over run is equal to slope. All right. Let's go to this. Go ahead and mark that out. We're not going to do that one. All right. Here's the deal. Multiply that's what that one stands for. The D stands for, I'm going to go down, for divide. Now, the N stands for negative. Flip the inequality. Now, this one you won't have to write down. You're going to flip the inequality. Here's an example. Negative 2x is less than 4. We know to divide by negative 2. So that would be x is greater than. There's the flip right there. Because we divided by negative is greater than negative 2.